In today's rapidly evolving workplace, diversity and inclusion are more than just buzzwords. They are fundamental pillars of success, driving innovation, creativity, and employee engagement. But to fully embrace diversity and foster an inclusive culture, we must first address unconscious bias. Unconscious bias refers to the subtle, automatic judgments and stereotypes that influence our decisions and behaviors without our conscious awareness. So, how do we tackle unconscious bias and create a more inclusive workplace? 1. Education and awareness. Education is key. By raising awareness and providing training on unconscious bias, we can help employees recognize and challenge their biases. 2. Promoting diversity. Promote diversity in recruitment, leadership roles, and project teams. Embrace diverse perspectives, backgrounds, and experiences. 3. Inclusive practices. Implement inclusive practices such as flexible work arrangements, inclusive language, and equitable policies and procedures. 4. Empowering employees. Empower employees to speak up, provide feedback, and report instances of bias or discrimination in a safe and supportive environment. 5. Leadership commitment. Leadership commitment is crucial. Leaders must lead by example, set the tone for inclusivity, and hold themselves and others accountable. 6. Review policies and procedures. Review existing policies, procedures, and practices to identify any potential biases or barriers. Ensure that recruitment, promotion, performance evaluation, and decision-making processes are fair, transparent, and free from bias. 7. Regular assessments and monitoring. Conduct regular assessments and monitoring of diversity metrics, employee engagement surveys, and inclusion initiatives. Use data and feedback to identify areas for improvement and track progress over time. By taking proactive steps to address unconscious bias, embrace diversity, and foster inclusion, we can create a workplace where every voice is heard, valued, and respected. Join us in building a more inclusive future. Embrace diversity. Foster inclusion. Address unconscious bias.